2004 SL500. Doing a light service on it. Changed motor mounts, transmission mounts, A-arm bushings. Got done with that. Went to try to crank the car to move it off the lift. Nothing. No communication whatsoever. Indications of like pretty much was a dead battery. Can't put a jump box on the battery. Nothing. Still no communication with the car. So damn, what the hell? Alright, maybe this battery is completely dead. So what I did after that was put it on the jump box. Let it get a slow charge all night. Came in this morning. Still nothing. So I had to go and do a little research. Doing a little research, what I found was, even though this battery had been reconditioned and fully charged all night, that on these, I don't know if it's all Mercedes or just certain Euro models, but they have a primary and a secondary battery. This secondary battery, you know, because this car been sitting, before I was able to get to it, it sat about 3 weeks. And ain't no telling how long it sat before the customer brought it to me, but one's a primary battery, one's a secondary battery. And because one is charged fully, the other could be dead, you'll get no communication out of this car. None. But do my research, found out it has 2 batteries. I came back, put a jump box on this battery. Car powered up, all communication. Problem solved. My next step is to bring it in, repair a lot of the things that need to be touched up, put that battery there on the charge, because it looked like a fairly new battery. I'll put that battery on the charger, let it get a full charge on it. So as you can tell, inside there it shows the battery indicator. I hooked it up to the MIL to do it in DTC, run a proper diagnostics. No codes, just low battery voltage. So there you have it. Low battery voltage will cause this car not to have no communication.